This is a really cool product which I have opportunity to review. It is a 70mm Omni dashcam, and it has a really cool feature which is something new in a dashcam world. Let's unbox it first. You can see that this is something really different than your usual dashcam. This dashcam is an industry first patented 360-degree design. And if you really imagine that in your head, it opens a lot of opportunities how this dashcam can work in your car. So this is everything you get in the package, and it is a usual thing. Double socket cigarette lighter charger, cable, and I guess there is a tool to hide the cable behind the dash, a user manual, and you have two stickers for easier mounting on your windshield. On the front side there is screen which is always visible to you. This is really neat, and bottom part is rotating at 360-degree, which is the main selling feature of this dashcam, and I really can't wait to test it. 3 buttons on the side, USB Type-C port on the right side, and on the left side are the buttons. On the top you have your usual sticker for the mounting, and of course I recommend always to use first this one on your windshield and stick it like this, because it is a lot easier to reuse everything or remove the dashcam if there is need for that. The top mounting point can be removed, so basically you can first install this and after that place the camera on the spot. I'm in my car doing installation, and I really want to mention how well built is this dashcam, 70mm Omni. It is really sturdy with this metal part, giving a luxurious feel.
Lane departure.
I will show you now how it looks when you connect your 70mm Omni to your phone. You need to press any of these 2 buttons on the side. Go to the Wi-Fi, press select. You will get a launching notification. When in the app, just press to join the network. From here you can do fine-tuning, and on this menu here you can go to the device settings. Here you have a video encoding format, recording resolution, frame rate, which by default is on 30 fps. I don't know why, I did select 60 fps. HDR is not available on 60 fps. Speed, longitude and latitude watermarks on. 70mm logo, I turned that off. Regarding a parking guard and those features, I can show you because I'm not able to connect my 70mm Omni with directly to battery at this point. I'm waiting for some connectors to arrive that will be in my next video. You have a collision detection, activity detection, surveillance, light effect, and so on. Those features needs to be additionally shown. ADAS. You have a calibration tutorial, which is quite nice. You need to align your hood with this line. There is also a horizontal adjustment. Please adjust the tripod aligned when at the front with the highlight area. This is also good.
ADAS calibrating. Please maintain vehicle speed at 40 kilometers per hour or higher.
You heard the lady. I will drive the car now and test this feature. At this point I am driving a car of around 60 kilometers per hour. I'm hoping that calibration will be done until I arrive on my destination. The window is partially open, so I hope that sound quality is decent at this point.
Caution, front car.
Calibration is done.
Caution, front car.
You see I get a prompt that the car in front of me is too close, so I'm getting a warning. The lane departure is very precise.
Lane departure. Lane departure.
Let's watch a bit of day and night footage and feel that with my voiceover of my opinion about 70mi Omni. The version which I got is around $100. It is a 32 gigabits version, and you can get it with 64 and 128 gigabytes. This is kind of important factor. This dashcam doesn't have a micro SD card slot. So basically you decide how much memory is best for you. It is a plus and minus in my opinion. The plus is that you have an integrated memory and you don't need to think about that. It is just plug and play. But the downside is that when you want to transfer the files on your PC or Mac, you basically need to disconnect your camera and bring it at home for file transfer, which is not that much a big of the deal, but I really need to mention that. The next thing, which is not really highlighted in this video, and I plan to publish a few more videos regarding that when I get everything set up and test correctly, is that you have an option to basically turn on car surveillance non-stop, and this feature is the major feature why I got this dash cam. With its 360-degree feature when in the parked mode, car surveillance mode, basically if there is something suspicious, it in theory should track it and record it, and you can have information if someone was around your car, and if something or someone damaged your car, it should be visible in the recording. I plan to test all that in my next video, so if you didn't consider subscribing and liking this video. Also, if you have any question, leave the comment down below. This would be my review of 70mi Omni for now. Until next video, see ya, and please consider subscribing. Thanks.